Miners of Infinity Part 6, and in this one we've got the Mind Miner progression event that is now live on Rollercoin. Let's check it out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Alright, so Miners of Infinity, and this is the 6th miner that you need in order for you to be able to do that mega craft and get that roller admin gauntlet. On my screen here, I was greeted right now a few minutes ago with Miners of Infinity Mind Miner 6 out of 9. So the next event has begun, and the roller admin gauntlet with 28.888.888 gigahash per second and a 9.99% bonus power is waiting for you, and you need the Mind Miner in this progression event for you to be able to do that mega craft and get the roller admin gauntlet. So let's go straight to it. We're going to go to the game section here and we're going to see what details there are in this progression event. So Mind Miner progression event, and there are now 3 days remaining, because this just started a few minutes ago, so it's a total of 3 days. Here is the Mind Miner that you need to get to be able to do that megacraft. It's 1.750 petahash per second, okay? So get to a higher difficulty level in the game, it's 500 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and except in merging, okay, it's 1000 points. If you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, it's 100 points. And this time, instead of spending 1 RLT in the crafting offer, it's for the merge. So if you spend 1 RLT for merges, you get 5000 points. And these points are all without the multiplier. And I believe that the multiplier duration will still be 6 hours, but we will try that in a second. And I will actually exchange a couple of RLT for you to see. Actually, before I forget, I'll do that right now. So we're going to go to the wallet section here, and you can see that at the moment there is a 25% discount on TRX and a 25% discount on Solana. So I'm going to convert just one for now so we can see, and I'm going to use some of my Solana. I'm going to accept that and I'm going to buy. Okay, so I'm exchanging RLT. The multiplier has changed to 1.1, so for every 1 RLT you're gaining a 0.1 times multiplier, which means for every 10 RLT you are gaining a times 1 multiplier. So if we go back here and see now in the game section, we can see that I have a 1.1 times multiplier. If we go to more details, we can see that 6 hours. Okay, so you get 6 hours and counting. So if you exchange another 1 RLT, when it's like at 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you'll reset that 6 hours and I'll get 1.2. So you can always keep that multiplier alive with even just 1 RLT. Okay. So, like I always like to do, thanks to Piero and Piero's list with each and every progression event that comes out, we're going to check out the rewards and the miners and the bonus power that you can receive in this progression event. So on my screen here, you can see the list of rewards. This is a 21 level progression event, starting off with RLT, 0.2 RLT at level 1 with 1000 points. You get a couple of Burge edges here, which I have loads of. You get some more of those, so you can either kind of merge them. You can't really sell these, I believe, so you'll have to either merge them or maybe burn them in burning events. And more RLT at level 6 with another 1 RLT. So that is it for the RLT. You get a total of 1.2 RLT in this progression event. We've got some RST here at level 7, and we've got 75 RST there as well. And we even get a couple of Danza de la Muerte miners there, okay? So 131 terahash per second, no bonuses. There are no bonuses with the camera miner either. You get another Danza de la Muerte there as well. You got Gandhi Splitty. No bonuses again, but you do get some good power as well. And all of these add up to pretty much almost 1 petahash when you add them all up. You do get the Hand of Blockchain at level 12, which will give you 1.5% bonus if you don't already have that miner, and if you place that miner in your room. Now, here is where it starts to get more powerful. We get Washingtonian at level 13 with 448 terahash per second with a 2% bonus, And with the Power Patriot at level 14, you can get 612 terahash per second with 3% bonus. Okay, that's quite good right there. Now, the first Mind Miner, you only need one to do the Mega Craft, but you can use the other one to either keep that in your room, or you can potentially craft another Roller Admin Gauntlet and have two of those, okay? And then you can actually merge those two together and get an even more powerful Roller Admin Gauntlet. And that's going to be at the end, obviously, of August, very beginning, early September, when you have to manually do that craft, okay? So keep this in mind that you actually can use these double miners that you're getting to then actually do another Mega Craft, get another Roller Admin Gauntlet, and then merge those two Roller Admin Gauntlets that you have to get an even more powerful miner, so even more powerful than 28.8 petahash and even more powerful than that 9.99% bonus by just merging those two together at the end. But you obviously always need to get to the very end of each and every progression event, because that's where these double miners are normally, okay? So one of them will be at the very end, the other one will be a little further up if you're just happy getting the common Roller Admin Gauntlet at 28.8 petahash. And mind you, that is a significant amount of power. So there you go. You need to get at least one of these at level 15. There it is, 1.75 petahash with no bonus. Another Gandhi Splitty, Hand of the Blockchain again. So you can merge the Gandhi Splitties, you can merge the Hand of the Blockchain, okay? You can merge all these, Power Patriot, Washingtonian. So they're repeating what there was at the top here. And you'll be able to get even more power and even more bonus power as well. When you place those in your room, that bonus power will significantly add up to your overall total power as well, okay? And last but not least, at level 21, another Mind Miner like we have mentioned. Total minus power in this progression event, if you make it to the very end, is 8 petahash. Total minus bonus power is 9.19%. Okay, if you get all of them and you actually place them all in your room, that 9.19% can actually grow even more if you actually do the merges. Okay, only one will count. Okay, so if you get Hand of Blockchain at level 12 and then you get the other one at level 17, the 1.5% bonus is going to count for one of them and not for both of them. But if you do actually merge those two together, you'll get a bit more bonus power and more power as well, okay? So keep that in mind. So awesome. There is also a new miner I haven't seen before at level 20, which is called Fun Zone. That gives you another 2% and 740 terahash. So pretty cool. Again, this event has another 3 days remaining and it will end on the 15th of August at 3 p.m. UTC time, which is Thursday, this coming Thursday. So that is pretty much it for this progression event. Be sure to do your very, very best to get that Mind Miner, at least the first one, at level 15 to be able to perform that Mega Craft at the end of August, beginning of September. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.